Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to redeem promo codes in Roblox Mobile. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply open up your Roblox application into your device. And from here, just tap on the more icon down below. And after that, just go to help and safety and go to help. And from here, just search over here to the article redeem code. And now from here, you will see how do I redeem a promo code. And after that, you should be able to scroll down. And from here, just tap on redeem Roblox code. And from here, just simply provide the code that you have, guys. And after that, just simply enter the promo code and check this box icon, and you'll be able to redeem it over here. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching.